Part 4, Reviewing the Assessment Schedule. This refers to the assessments in your course guide Part A. Let's start by painting a target of what's actually expected. Here's an example. Assessment Task 1, Timetable Assessment, 35%, CLO 1, CLO 2, and CLO 5. It's simply the assessment task identifier, assessment type, the weighting, and a list of relevant CLOs. So, if it's a hurdle task, put that in brackets at the end. For better or worse, it's the college standard being applied consistently in engineering. Please avoid using any shorthand like making ranges or dropping the CLO prefix. Let's dig into the important assessment type. Assessment type refers to, the type of assessment. So search RMIT SharePoint site for Assessment Types Database. It provides you with a fabulous list of types. So let's work through the example. CLO, design a semiconductor for human biomedical sensor. The task is to design. Therefore, a MCQ quiz really doesn't make sense. A more appropriate type would be either a portfolio or a report. It's this alignment between the CLO verb and the assessment noun that TEQSA checks. So do less work, just use the noun. Otherwise it becomes a palaver to update in the future. It's Course Guide Part B that is the place for the specific assessment detail. By keeping it simple, your assessment will become more flexible. So in regards to the weighting, simply use your own judgment. You can use the number of CLOs as a rough indicator of importance. There's one more note about the CLO listing. It's unusual for all assessments to cover all CLOs. It implies every CLO verb is being actively addressed in parallel at all times. It's not impossible, but it's a red flag for TEQSA for them to do further investigation. The next step is to make the change in your course guide Part A.